Today, I want to talk about one of the most versatile handmade products you can make to sell online. Stickers! Yes, stickers. You can make a sticker for pretty much anything, right? You can make motivational stickers for grade books, or decal stickers for local businesses, or stickers for people who love stationery or journaling. There's really so much you can do with stickers. If you can design it, you can turn it into a sticker. Not to mention, they're great for every age. I mean, who doesn't love stickers? Adults put them on our laptops, our cars, our notebooks. Kids can put them everywhere. And as a parent will probably tell you, they do. But can you make a living starting a sticker business? Or is the market already oversaturated? Today, I'll go into everything you need to know about starting a sticker business of your very own, so you can decide if this is something you'll want to pursue. Hi there, my name is May Pak, and I help makers, artists, and designers make a living by selling their handmade products online. The market for stickers is booming, and it's not going anywhere. They're an excellent marketing tool for businesses because they're affordable, and they allow for creativity, and they actually work. Let's think about the I voted stickers for a second, right? All Americans have seen these stickers. They're oval-shaped with a little American flag and two simple words, I voted. Did you know that the I voted stickers actually increase voter turnout? According to a study at the University of California at Berkeley, the stickers work because when people see that their friends or family members voted, they want to vote too. That's how marketing works, right? The same is true for other types of stickers. If you have a cool looking sticker of your favorite bike shop on your laptop, then your friend might see that sticker and go to that bike shop. All of this to say that stickers are an incredibly effective marketing tool that thousands upon thousands of business owners use. So the demand is definitely not going anywhere. As long as businesses are marketing themselves, they'll be buying stickers. But it's not just businesses that are in the market for stickers, right? Parents love buying unique and fun stickers for their kids. They're inexpensive and they're kind of a mess-free gift that can keep toddlers occupied and happy and keep kids' imaginations running. I mean, what kid doesn't like to decorate their notebooks or binders with an array of cool stickers? And for kids and adults both, a sticker is pretty much like an identity stamp, right? It's a way to show off who you are to your friends and family. When we decorate our laptops with stickers of all the places we've traveled to or all of our favorite characters from a show, we are making a statement about who we are. So whether you want to sell logo stickers for businesses or activity stickers for kids or unique niche stickers just for fun, you'll have a built-in market who are already ready to buy stickers. We're not reinventing the wheel here, which is a great thing. So now that you know a little bit more about the sticker industry, let's get into the steps you need to take to start your own sticker business. Step 1 is to find your niche. Here's the thing, right? Because the market is so huge and so versatile, it's also really competitive. If you go to Etsy and type stickers in the search bar, 3 million plus results come up. No one wants to compete with over 3 million other products, right? So if you're going to start a sticker business, you need to really narrow down your focus. You need to choose something so specific that isn't already oversaturated with competitors. For instance, planner stickers are one of the most popular types of stickers sold on Etsy, so that market might be a little bit hard to tap into. Other top sticker markets on Etsy are logo stickers and vinyl decal stickers. That doesn't mean you can't sell these types of stickers, but it does mean you'll want to find a way to make them stand out among the rest. Maybe your planner stickers are marketed to business owners specifically, for example, but you also don't want a niche that's so unique that you have no market, which means there's no one who wants to buy your work. If you do, you'll have a hard time making a single sale because there's just no demand. So you really need to find that sweet spot. What's a unique type of sticker that fits in an interest that people are already interested in, but doesn't have a ton of competitors yet? There are just so many ideas out there for making stickers. You could make custom paper stickers of people's pets, or you could make bumper stickers marketed towards teens who just got their first car. Or you could make quote stickers or funny comedic stickers. The tough part of the sticker industry, how oversaturated it is balanced out by the great part of the sticker industry, which is how versatile it is. With so many different types of stickers and different angles you can take, you should be able to find a niche that's perfect for you. It just might take time and a lot of research at first, and that's normal and worth it if it means you get to develop a business idea that will support you financially for years to come. Now, once you know what type of sticker you'll be making, you can move on to step 2. You need to choose the type of sticker you'll be making. There are tons of different types of stickers, from paper stickers to vinyl stickers and everything in between. The type of sticker you choose will depend on what your customers are using them for. For instance, you don't want to make bumper stickers out of paper. You also need to buy different materials depending on what stickers you choose to make. So let's break down the different types, okay? Paper stickers are a little more cost-effective, but they're usually not the highest quality. After all, a person can accidentally rip a paper sticker just trying to get it off the sheet. Still, these are a good option if you're hoping to offer your customers something for a better price, but you should have other better quality options available as well. Polypropylene stickers are a low cost to make high quality stickers. These are scratch-proof, waterproof, and recyclable. You'll most often see this type of sticker on food and beverage products. Polypropylene stickers are not indestructible, however. They can rip pretty easily, which could lead to a bad review for your shop. And they're also very stiff, so they can't be placed on curved surfaces. Finally, they're not protected against UV light, which means that they will yellow over time. This might not be a huge deal if you don't see customers using your stickers long term, but if you're selling logo stickers to business owners, you'll want a material that will last. Vinyl stickers are the most popular choice for sticker artists. Vinyl is highly durable, weatherproof, and doesn't discolor over time. Your customers won't be limited when it comes to where they choose to place their stickers, whether on a curved water bottle or a flat laptop or anything in between. This is the material that I would recommend for anyone who wants to start a sticker shop. Once you've narrowed down the material you want to use and you know your niche, you can move on to step 3. Step 3 of owning a sticker shop is to shop for your supplies. For the sake of this example, let's say that you decided to make vinyl stickers, okay? So here's what you're going to need. Printable vinyl sticker sheets. You want to make sure the sheets of vinyl can easily fit in your printer and that you can print a lot at once. These can range in price from $6 to $20 depending on the size of the pack and the brand. A vinyl cutting machine. Like the name implies, you will use this to cut your vinyl stickers. You can get an excellent vinyl cutter for between $200 and $400. There are some cheaper machines on Amazon, but the really inexpensive ones that I saw, or around $30, do not really work well and will limit you in terms of what you can make. The Cricut and Silhouette brands are the favorites among sticker makers. The Cricut Blue Maker is $329 and the Silhouette Cameo 4 is $299. You'll be able to get a ton of use out of either of those machines. Design software. To design really great stickers, you'll need really great software. Cricut and Silhouette both offer great design studios for all of your design needs, and Cricut offers a free package with 1,000 different images and 15 different fonts, among other features. For more freedom, you can purchase their standard package for $9.99 monthly or $95.88 a year. They also have a deluxe package for $120 a year, or if you have something like Adobe Photoshop, you can use that too. By the way, if this video is helpful so far, please give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, the next thing you need is an inkjet photo printer. Make sure that your printer can print in color so you're not limited to just black and white designs, although that could be really cool too, right? So inkjet printers range in price from $100 to $400. You'll want to choose a reliable, sturdy printer that will last a long time. The HP Envy Photo 7855 is the choice among sticker makers, and it's also Amazon's top-selling inkjet photo printer. It costs $230 on Amazon as of the recording of this video. Clear vinyl laminate. The laminate is extremely important because it's what keeps your stickers durable and weatherproof. Vinyl laminate costs around $20, and there is specifically made laminate for Cricut and Silhouette, so you can choose what to get depending on which cutting machine you choose. A cutting mat. This should come with your machine, but if it doesn't, cutting mats are usually around $10. You can purchase a more expensive mat if you want something more high grade. There are some professional non-slip mats for like $90 on Amazon, but you probably won't need anything that elaborate. Okay, once you have your supplies, you can move on to the next step. This is the fun part, building your inventory. It's time to start designing and making stickers. But first, practice makes perfect. So practice making stickers until you feel confident that you know how to create high quality, durable, and a beautiful product that your customers will love and that you will love and feel proud of. Now, when it comes to inventory, you will want to start with about 10 to 15 ready to sell designs. You don't want to make too much of any one style either, just in case it doesn't sell. And trust me when I say that your favorite product isn't always the one that ends up selling the most. You just never know what customers will go after. Once you start selling, you can make more of the product that sells the most and less of the ones that aren't really landing. All right, so step 5 is setting up your shop. I've said it once and I will say it again. It's all about Shopify. While you might be tempted to dive straight into Etsy, I highly recommend building a shop using Shopify as well. I have a video here you can watch comparing Etsy and Shopify, but in a nutshell, Shopify is better if you want to build a long-term business that lasts and that you have control over. I understand the temptation to sell on Etsy or Amazon. It's user-friendly and there's a built-in customer base already searching and shopping for products. Still, you're stuck following someone else's rules and it's super unstable. So if you do want to sell on Etsy or Amazon, I recommend keeping that as a side business. With the majority of your traffic that you're getting, send that to your Shopify store instead. Once you have your product ready and your shop's all set up, you get to start selling. Market your stickers through influencer and media marketing, which is when you send free samples of your product to influencers, whether that's on Instagram or YouTube, Facebook or TikTok, or reach out to bloggers or editors for magazines that you see on the shelves of supermarkets. The goal is to get them to share your products with their audience. And you can learn more about that in my how-to video here. Are you interested in opening a sticker business, or maybe you've already got one? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more handmade business tips, and then stay on to watch this video that's coming up next.